Yes. Wrap up well warm and thing. Yeah, man. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. Yes. Oh, the visibility is not so good, but you can see what's up. Look outside. That's the Virgin Atlantic. And that's the aircraft that will be taking us across the Atlantic. Blessed love, family. Until then, see you in the sunshine. I'm out. A real Empress Yudah. Hey, where is Rasta? Where is Rasta? Rasta is coming in today, and he's coming in from TX because Rasta is home in Texas. I'm leaving from the UK today, so I'm flying on Virgin while Rasta is flying on United. So that's what's up, family. And I'm here just waiting, and I just can't wait to get into the sunshine. Blessed love, family. That's what's up. This is what's going on today. Give thanks. See you in Jah-Mek-Yah. Blessed.
Each and everyone, respect, goes out a long way. Upfulness, give thanks to the glorious morning and the rising of the sun. Energy, spiritually, upfulness, live it.
So. This was the big secret. This was the top secret. Hello. Good morning. We are in Jah-Mek-Yah. See it there? Don't know the thing go? The king is here with I, and we are trotting out this morning. You can see the beautiful sunshine.
Respect.
Yes. Blessed love again, family. On our way out, we just ran into Idrin. Idrin Carl, and he's got a message. He might have something to say. Carl.
The light shine on the man, the spiritual light. And it's only one pool. You can see that light. That's how we tell you,
Give thanks.
Real talk,
spiritually connected.
Yeah, man. Whenever you come to Jamaica,
Yeah, man.
Carl have the good Blue Mountain Peak coffee, Nice coffee, man.
Yes.
Uplift, man. Energy.
So you hear that, family? Brother Carl just told Rasta and I that the light, a spiritual light, is shining upon us. We give thanks to the Most High, Irata, for that. And look, we're not looking for any validation. We're not looking for nobody to say we are this or we are that.
Naturally.
We are trod earth naturally. We are baby self. But we give thanks when ones and ones can see that and can say that.
And the messenger is always here to tell one.
Alright, so you see it? The messenger, he said it. So you heard it here. I don't need to repeat it. Alright, give thanks. Alright, message from the brother.
Yes,
Upfulness, family, we are going to do road.
Oneness.
Give thanks, blessed. Thank you for watching my vlog. Rasta? Where's Rasta? Rasta, where are you? I can't find Rasian. Where's Rasian?
Meditation, one in Zion. In the ghettos of Babylon, where we sat down in a meditation.